Ready to wake up with perfect hair every single day? Discover the most stunning, low-maintenance shag haircuts that will transform your look with zero effort. Which one will be your new signature? 1. Razor Cut Wolf Shag. This razor cut style adds edgy movement and volume, making it perfect for those with fine hair who want a fuller look without daily styling. It creates a bold, modern silhouette, ideal for oval and heart-shaped faces. This cut frames the features beautifully while maintaining a rock and roll vibe that stays chic, even when air-dried. It's the ultimate cool girl choice. 2. Soft Layered French Shag. The French shag offers a timeless, sophisticated appeal. It is best for naturally wavy hair, providing an effortless, just rolled out of bed elegance that requires minimal product. This low-maintenance cut reduces weight for thick hair types, ensuring your hair feels light and manageable throughout the busy day while looking polished and intentional. 3. Girly Bottleneck Shag. Designed specifically to celebrate natural curls, the bottleneck shag provides structure and prevents the hair from looking bottom-heavy or frizzy. It's a lifesaver for high-volume textures. This style is a wash-and-go solution that maintains a stylish shape for weeks. It works exceptionally well for those wanting to highlight their cheekbones and jawline with natural volume. 4. Modern Mullet Shag. The modern mullet shag is for the fashion-forward individual. It offers a dramatic length difference that highlights the neck and shoulders, making it a very striking choice. This style is surprisingly easy to maintain as it grows out gracefully. It's perfect for square face shapes, as the soft layers around the ears help soften the overall appearance. 5. Wispy Pastel Lavender Shag. Combining a shag cut with a pastel lavender hue creates an artistic and dreamy look. It's perfect for creative professionals who want a standout style that doesn't need constant heat styling. The wispy layers allow for a soft grow-out phase, while the cool tone complements those with cool skin undertones. It adds a pop of personality to any wardrobe. 6. Shoulder-length Honey Blonde Shag. This classic length is versatile and fits almost everyone. The honey blonde tones add warmth to the face, while the layers provide movement that makes the hair look healthy and vibrant. Ideal for professional environments, this shag is subtle yet stylish. It can be easily tucked behind the ears for a cleaner look or tousled for a more relaxed, evening vibe. 7. Textured Pixie Shag. For those who want the ultimate low-maintenance experience, the Pixie Shag is the winner. It requires almost no drying time and looks incredibly chic with just a bit of texture cream. This cut draws all the attention to your facial features, especially the eyes. It's a brave, empowering choice for women who want a high-impact look with zero daily hassle. 8. Voluminous Copper Shag. Copper is the trendiest color of the season, and when paired with a shag, it creates a high-energy look. The layers prevent the bright color from feeling too heavy or overwhelming. This style is perfect for flat hair, as the internal layering creates a built-in lift. It's a great way to add fire and personality to your everyday aesthetic. 9. Blunt Fringe Brunette Shag. The contrast between a blunt fringe and messy shag layers creates a sophisticated, moody vibe. It's a great choice for those who want to accentuate their eyes and brow line. This brunette version is low maintenance because the color doesn't require frequent bleaching, and the blunt bangs give the appearance of a high-effort style with minimal work. 10. Long Layered Sun-Kissed Shag. If you want to keep your length but lose the weight, this is the cut for you. The sun-kissed balayage highlights make it look like you've just come from a beach vacation. Perfect for boho chic style, this long shag is incredibly forgiving. You can let it air dry and enjoy the natural movement without worrying about perfect symmetry.